Let's solve this together. It says AB is equal to 20, B is equal to 30, and AC is equal to 40. Okay. First off, let's label each equation. So let's call this equation 1. Let's call this equation 2. Let's call this equation 3. Okay. Now, from equation 1, we have that AB is equal to 20. So I can say from equation 1 that B is equal to 20 over A. Okay. And from equation 2, so from 2 as well, we have that B is equal to 30 over C. Okay, hence you can say, since these two things are equal to one thing, so this is equal to B and this is equal to B, it means that these two things are equal to each other. So we have that 30 over C is equal to 20 over A. Okay, now when we cross multiply, we have that from here we can make C such a formula. Let's make C or A such a formula. Okay, so we have that 20C is equal to 30A. Hence our C is equal to 30A over 20, which is equal to 3 over 2A, or 3A over 2. Okay. Now let's bring down equation 3. So we say from equation 3 that C is equal to 40 over A. Alright? Alright, moving on from here. Okay, moving on from here, we have that 40 over A is equal to 3A over 2. Cross multiplying, we have that this becomes 80 to be equal to 3A squared. Okay, we now have that A squared is equal to 80 over 3. Right, from here we have, taking the square root of both sides, we have that A will now be equal to plus or minus root of 80 over 3. This is 4 root 5. So we have that this is plus or minus 4 times root of 5 over 3. Okay, so these are the answers for A. Now let's find the answers for C, then B in this equation. Okay, alright, moving on from here, let's figure out what the answer is for C. Okay, so we have that C is equal to 3 over 2A. Now recall that A is equal to this, so we also pick the positive value for A here. So we have that this is equal to 3 over 2 multiplied by, okay, so we have 4 times root of 5 over 3. Okay, this becomes equal to 4 times 3 is 12 over 2 multiplied by root of 5 over 3. 12 over 2 is 6, okay, which now makes this equal to 6 multiplied by root of 5 over 3. This C here becomes equal to squaring 6. We have 6 squared is 36. Okay, 36 times 5 is 180 divided by 3. This becomes equal to plus or minus root of 60. Okay, which is equal to plus or minus 2 root 15. Okay, so this is our C. Now recall that B is equal to 30 over C. Okay, so we can go ahead and say that B here is equal to 30 over C, which is equal to 30 divided by 2 root 15. Alright, so this becomes equal to 2 here is 15, 2 here is 1, so we have 15 over root 15. Rationalizing this denominator, we multiply here by root 15 and multiply here by root 15. Okay, root of 15 times root of 15 is 15, so we have 15 on the denominator and 15 root 15 on the numerator. 15, striking 15, and this is, you're left with root of 15. So B is equal to root of 15. Okay, so these are the answers of A, B, and C in this question. Thanks for watching.
What's going on, guys? It's Fortune here editing this video. As you can see, about 99% of you guys are not subscribed to the channel, so please subscribe, like, comment, and share my videos, as this helps to push my videos out to more viewers out there. The more you subscribe, the more viewers can see my videos, the more we grow in this community. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.